Are you looking to switch to any shopping cart software or looking for a new shopping cart software and planning to buy a Thrivecart and don't know what Thrivecart pricing plans are, and especially thinking to buy a Thrivecart standard plan? So in this video, I am walking you through in detail about Thrivecart standard plan. So here I'm on Thrivecart stream. I have shared a link of Thrivecart in the description. If you want to follow along with me, just click on that. You will see Thrivecart landing page. Just click on the pricing plan like this and then you will land on this page. So go check the link mentioned in the description. As soon as you land on this page, just scroll a bit and then you can see everything about the Thrivecart standard plan. So what exactly Thrivecart standard plan is about? So Thrivecart standard plan is costing you one-time fee of $495. There are no recurring, no return fee, no transaction fee. It's absolutely one-time $495 payment via Thrivecart standard plan. As they mentioned, zero fees on a sales. Let's see what exactly Thrivecart standard plan is. So with Thrivecart standard plan, you get checkout and cart feature. So you can customize cart and checkout pages. Checkout available in 100+ country. So this is amazing. Irrespective from which country you are, there are 100+ countries covered where Thrivecart is supporting. With standard plan, you get unlimited product and sales funnel. You get unlimited offer and upsells, one-click upsell and downsell as well. Advanced funnel automation is included in a standard plan. A/B split testing. This is the key feature. If you want to see which winning landing page is, then A/B split testing is included and it is key feature in a Thrivecart. So I believe this is a game changer for your business. So go check the link mentioned in the description to see and buy the Thrivecart standard plan. It will provide abandoned cart recovery in a standard plan, payment and billing related stuff. You get an integration with multiple payment processors like PayPal, Stripe and other popular payment process. Support is included in the Thrivecart standard pricing plan. Also on top of that, Thrivecart standard plan offers buy now pay later, split pay as you like and subscription billing. This is a key feature that I found Thrivecart is offering from the best in the market. Whether if your customer don't have a money right to pay for your products, they can buy now and use a buy now pay later feature so that they can recurrently pay and split the payment in later stages. So this will definitely boost the conversion irrespective whether customer have a money at that point handy or not. On top of that, Thrivecart standard plan offers you basic learn feature. That means Thrivecart course hosting platform. Thrivecart Learn is a LMS platform offered by Thrivecart and it is available in a Thrivecart standard pricing plan. You get a Thrivecart basic LMS and as well as student LMS. From student LMS, you can watch out how many students are there and you can also do their all of student management in a student LMS in Thrivecart standard plan. You get 40+ direct integration. This is amazing deal. So if you're looking for any checkout software, then I suggest just go and check Thrivecart standard plan once and see whether it is fitting to your need. But I feel this is a no-brainer deal. You just need to pay $495 one-time fee. In other softwares, as soon as you buy any plan, you need to pay monthly fee. Even I have found that some of the card softwares are charging based on your revenue. Suppose your revenue is 1 million, then those softwares are charging more money as your business grow. And I believe that is not worth it. So switching to standard plan makes sense if you are a beginner. Go check out Thrivecart link mentioned in the description and see whether Thrivecart standard plan is worth for you or other plan like a Thrivecart Pro Plus plan or unlimited bundle plan. Hope this video is useful for you. If you have any questions, then let me know in the chat. See you till next video.